magpie just flew. There's a bunch of them. Saw that one fly in front of me just as I opened the door. Oh, he's gone now. There's another. Oh, and another. They're just having fun. Oh, there's Velcro. Look at that kitty. Alright, well, I'm going to start my walk. Oh, I saw a flicker. I think I went on the other side of the tree. There it is. Cute. Morning. I'm just starting my walk.
Yeah.
What sort of snacks you got?
Yeah, this is pork rinds.
Nice.
Here's water.
Oh, sounds like a good day.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you enjoy that.
Yeah, we'll see you.
I'll catch you later. Oh, one chicken's up. Hey there, chicken. Oh, what you got? Like strawberries or something? No, those are tomatoes and carrots. That sounds nice. Okay, well, I'm gonna continue on my walk. So if I stop and zoom for a second, there's one of my crows waiting in the same parking lot. Different spot, but same area. Oh, there's two of them. So yeah, we've got one up there and one right down there. So I won't be leaving their tree at the log because they're over here now. Oof. Keep tripping on rocks. Oh, they didn't eat the cat food. Man, they like those peanuts. You funny guys, it's food. You should be thrilled to get food. I see the magpies stealing cat food all the time. Usually you guys eat it. Okay. Well, there's some peanuts. I guess you're just going to eat that, aren't you? I'll see you later. Well, I'm sure they're waiting for me, so they'll get it. Okay, bye-bye, guys. You should be excited. There's peanuts. Okay, I'm gonna keep walking. Where are you going? I left peanuts. Maybe he's going to get some friends. Told him to eat the cat food. No, not you two. Well, I hope they'll be back. Maybe they are calling friends. I know a lot of crows party over in that direction. At that tree with the weird snake pod things. They like to eat it. So I think this is one of the crows I tried to feed before. I saw him come down this way. And he just came to me again. Ah. Hi. Are you going to take my treat this time? I'm going to leave a small one, or unless it just pours out, that happens. Okay. Oh, I'm trying to open the zipper. Okay. Are you looking? Sorta. Okay, there's some peanuts. It's peanut heavy this time. Eat the peanuts. Okay. He's gonna check it out. See you later. Lots of yummy peanuts. Am I far enough away from you yet? Go get the treat. Go get it. Here's his friend over there somewhere. Well, they'll get it. They always do. They just do it on their time. And here's his friend replying. Oh, there he is. He's on that pole there. Oh, he got it. Yay. Eat those peanuts. Go back for the first pile. They probably will. If they hang out there enough, they'll find it. Just looking. No real activity going on. Got a soapy car wash. It's all frozen. And there's the tree with all the doves. There's actually a dove right there. Oh, I see some movement now. Yeah, the doves are in there. It's hard to see, but they're in there. Well, I'm heading home now. Hello, doggy. Oh, there's another one. Good morning, doggy. Hello. Bye-bye. No barking. Good. And it looks like the chickens have gone back in. Not seeing them. It's kind of chilly. It's better than it has been. That's a dove. Right there. I just got home. It's a lot of bird activity today. Is that a little robin? Ooh. That was a flicker. Oh, I got the sun in my eye. Just hanging out. Are you asleep? You're just like dozing off, maybe. There's a big old dove there. Another one just flew off. That's what that snap was, his wing flicking. And then we got Kitty. Kitty. It's Velcro. Okay, well, I'm home now. Oh, hello. You made a different noise. Oh, bye. Oh, I wanted to look at you more. The party bush is kind of active. They'll probably be more active by the time I come back. So I'm walking home from McDonald's and there's a few crows here at this corner. It's like 2 up there and I zoom out, wait. Yeah, barely see. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so there's like 4 crows. But I'm not leaving anything at this corner. It's too busy. Even though those 2 are making noise.
Wait. Your Rocky Mountain view has fruit. Wait.
Oh, I got the green.
7, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Yeah, I can't leave treats here. It's just way too busy. That's the corner of Mountain View. Unless they want to follow, I'm not leaving anything there. They just got quiet. They must have seen me coming. Oh, no, back to partying. It's social time. A lot of activity. Wow. Where's he at? It's super loud. Oh, it's a Steller's J. Oh, some glare on my screen. I haven't seen a Steller's J in ages.